Alibaba, the big online store from China, is making news again. This time, it's not buying something big, but selling something big. Alibaba is selling its part of Sun Art Retail Group, a big grocery store company in China. This means Alibaba is changing its plan and wants to focus on its online store. Alibaba owns 78.7% of Sun Art and is selling it to DCP Capital, a big investing company in China. The selling price is 12.298 billion Hong Kong dollars, which is about 1.58 billion US dollars. This sale is happening just 3 years after Alibaba bought the biggest part of Sun Art in 2020 for $3.6 billion. People who know about money are trying to understand what this means. Does it mean that stores in China are not doing well, or is Alibaba just making things simpler? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, Alibaba is not afraid to make big changes. Alibaba bought a big part of Sun Art in 2020 because it wanted to connect its online store with real stores. Alibaba wanted to use its technology to help people shop at Sun Art's many stores in China. The goal was to make shopping easy for people so they could shop online or at a store. Alibaba wanted people to be able to buy food online and pick it up at a Sun Art store, or look at things in a store and have them delivered to their homes. This plan was seen as the future of shopping, and Alibaba wanted to be the leader. But connecting online and offline stores was harder than Alibaba thought. Managing many stores and keeping up with what people in China want was difficult for Alibaba. Even though it was hard, Alibaba still wanted to connect online and offline shopping. Alibaba is selling its part of Sun Art, but that doesn't mean Sun Art is doing badly. Actually, Sun Art is doing very well. Sun Art's part on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, where people buy and sell parts of companies, has gone up by 85% in the past year. That's much better than the Hang Seng Index, which only went up by 20%. Sun Art is doing well because it's the biggest grocery store company in China. It has a good system for getting things to stores, and people really like shopping there. Sun Art has also changed with the times, selling more things online and offering more services. Alibaba is selling its part of Sun Art when it's doing well, which means Alibaba thinks Sun Art will continue to do well. It also shows that Alibaba wants to focus on its online store and make money from other things it owns. Alibaba selling its part of Sun Art is a big change for the company. Lately, Alibaba has had more competition from other online stores in China, and the Chinese government has been making more rules for Alibaba. So Alibaba is making things simpler and focusing on its online store. This means selling things that are not its main business, like Sun Art and InTime, a big store company in China that Alibaba also sold recently. By doing this, Alibaba wants to be stronger than its competition and keep growing for a long time. Alibaba is also changing because it knows that the way people shop is changing. Many companies still want to connect online and offline stores, but Alibaba wants to be the best online store. By selling its stores, Alibaba can use its money to create new technology and ideas for the future of online shopping.